one of the reasons why I started working on this Monster series is really because I wanted to put up some artwork onto my Instagram. So I thought, what else is more fun and exciting to draw than working on monsters? It's very free and there's almost no boundaries to drawing monsters. There's no right, no wrong to how a monster should be drawn, because everyone's interpretations are different and everyone's perceptions are different. So naturally that means that I can do whatever I want, whatever that I like. I had hardly worked on watercolors or gouache on paper before, so using water-based colors always intimidate me. I feel like I have very limited control over the results, and brushes are like my tools and they will determine how good my artwork will eventually look like. But I guess I have learned to accept flaws and roughness, and so sometimes imperfections has its beauty. And now I can truly appreciate inconsistent lines and dots, and I no longer beat myself up over a stroke too long, too short, or too thick or too thin. And I have to kind of tell myself to let go of the designer side of me and not to be too meticulous over the nitty-gritty details, and just accept the overall picture as it is and appreciate the nature form of things. So I have plans to work on more monsters and make it like a collection of work and develop more creatures as I continue to work on it. And I have no goals as to how many I should complete, and let's just see. Maybe I'll stop at just 2, or maybe it can be 20 or even 200. So as long as my interest in this subject continue, I think I will persist. By the way, in case you're wondering why I started on this series with artwork number 2, it is really because Monster number 1 was already posted on my Instagram, and I did not record that process on YouTube. I wasn't sure if it was a good idea then, and at that point I was just trying it out. So number 1 was really just a trial to test my patience and see how far I was gonna go from that point. I cannot stress enough that this video is not a tutorial. I'm not teaching, I'm not showing people that this is the right way to use gouache or watercolor. I'm just illustrating the fact that this is how I use my materials, this is how I illustrate, this is how I draw, this is how I use my brushes. So you can use this video as a reference to see how I develop my artwork, and I'm just showing that this is how I do it. And if you like what you see and if you like my style, I'm happy about it. But if you think this is not the right way to do it, well, leave a comment on the description box underneath and let me know what you think should be the right way to paint or to use the material. Maybe if you like to see the real professional technique, you can look into other videos and see how other artists or drawing people, they do it. Yep, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.